The streaming landscape is shifting beneath our feet. And if you have been holding on to your trusty streaming box for the last few years, the silence from Cupertino is about to be shattered in the most spectacular way possible. We are standing at the threshold of a new era for the Apple TV 4K, an era defined by raw power, artificial intelligence, and a level of integration that turns your living room into the absolute command center of your digital life. For years, the third-generation Apple TV 4K has been the gold standard, a silent workhorse that simply refused to quit. But as we navigate through 2026, the cracks in that aging A15 Bionic architecture are finally beginning to show. You aren't just looking for a better picture. You are looking for a device that keeps up with the lightning pace of modern home entertainment. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The sheer gravity of what Apple is planning for this iteration of the Apple TV 4K goes far beyond a simple spec bump. We're talking about a fundamental rethink of how we consume content, interact with our smart homes, and even how we view gaming on a television display. Imagine a machine that doesn't just stream bits and bytes, but processes your entire viewing environment in real time using the latest advancements in Apple Intelligence. The rumors that have been swirling around the industry suggest that Apple is finally preparing to bridge the gap between a high-end streamer and a dedicated gaming console. We're looking at the potential integration of the A17 Pro chip, or perhaps an even more specialized silicon dedicated to neural processing, which means your upscaling, your frame rate smoothing, and your deep color processing will happen with a level of precision that we have only previously dreamed of. This isn't just about 4K anymore. It's about the fidelity of the experience, the way the device interacts with your soundbar, your HomePods, and the massive array of IoT devices that make up your smart home ecosystem. When you sit down to watch a movie on this next-generation Apple TV 4K, the hardware is expected to do the heavy lifting for your eyes and ears. We are hearing whispers of advanced machine learning algorithms that can detect not just the genre of the film you are watching, but the very mood of the room, adjusting the contrast ratios and the audio staging dynamically. If you have ever felt like your current setup is just a bit flat compared to the crispness of a high-end cinema, the 2026 iteration is poised to bridge that divide. The integration with tvOS is going to be the secret weapon here. Apple is moving toward a more fluid, modular interface where your favorite streaming apps, your smart home cameras, and your Apple Fitness Plus routines exist in a seamless, unified space. Let's talk about the hardware elephant in the room, the remote. For years, we have had the sleek, aluminum Siri remote, but leaks suggest a significant redesign. Imagine a remote that feels more like an extension of your hand, with haptic feedback that provides tactile confirmation of your navigation, and potentially even built-in Find My technology that goes beyond a simple chirp, perhaps utilizing ultra-wideband precision, finding to guide you exactly to that cushion under which it always hides. This level of refinement is exactly what the user base has been clamoring for, and it is exactly what Apple delivers when they decide it's time to move the needle. The gaming performance on the next Apple TV 4K is perhaps the most intriguing frontier. With the raw power of newer architectures, Apple is finally in a position to push for console-grade gaming without the console. We are talking about lower latency, higher frame rates, and potentially even a dedicated controller pairing system that makes the Apple TV 4K a legitimate contender against the dedicated boxes you find in typical gaming setups. The transition from your iPhone or your iPad to the big screen will become instantaneous. A handoff so smooth you won't even notice the frames dropping as you move from your morning commute to your living room couch. As we look at the broader ecosystem, the 2026 Apple TV 4K is designed to act as the primary thread and matter bridge for your entire house. It's not just a streamer, it's the hub. When you speak to Siri, it's not just searching for a show, it's dimming the lights, closing the smart blinds, and setting the ambient temperature, all while launching your app in the background. The responsiveness is expected to be near instant, thanks to the increased bandwidth of Wi-Fi 7 and potentially Bluetooth 6 connectivity. These aren't just buzzwords. These are the standards that will define the next 5 years of smart home reliability. If you're a collector of physical media or a purist who demands the highest possible bitrate for your high-definition content, the bandwidth management on this new device is going to be a game changer. The way it handles high frame rate HDR and the latest Dolby Vision profiles will ensure that your television display is being pushed to its absolute physical limits. The goal is no longer just to show a movie. It is to recreate the director's intent in your living room with zero compromises. We also have to consider the long-term support. When you invest in a new Apple TV 4K, you aren't buying it for today. You are buying it for the next 4 or 5 years of software updates. Apple's commitment to tvOS means that even after you buy the device, it will continue to receive feature drops, performance enhancements, and new app capabilities that will keep your hardware feeling fresh. This is the Apple tax that actually pays for itself over time, as you avoid the frustration of a device that slows down or becomes incompatible with the latest streaming standards. The aesthetic design of the unit is also rumored to be undergoing a slim down. We are expecting a smaller footprint, perhaps a more premium finish that looks at home next to your high-end sound system or tucked away discreetly behind your television. It's about merging minimalist industrial design with maximum internal performance.